In this globally defining moment, when there is the emergence of a new world order, I want to reveal to you how the corporates, whether it's commercial, whether it's a micro, small or medium level businesses, whatever the level your business is, that how you can overcome some of the challenges using some of the fundamentals that are emerging in the new world order. What I call the triple A's, triple D's and triple E's. Triple A is any entity, whether it's micro, small or medium or commercial or corporate, has to earn the triple A rating. The triple A rating is your products and services has to be available to more people in more places in more often. Whether it's digitally, whether it's physically, is in material, but you have to make it available to more people in more places more often. Second A is accessible, making your product services accessible again to more people in more places in more often. The accessibility will determine on the denomination of the price of your product. Finally, the final A is affordability. Your product or service has to be affordable to more people in more places in more often. The second triple is the D's. Triple D. Your decision today will determine your tomorrow. Your decision today will determine your destiny tomorrow. Your decision today, so therefore you have to make the right decision at the right time and the right place in the right way. Not to be reactive, but to be proactive, managing all your resources more effectively and skillfully. The final is, which is very important, as a business, whether it's micro, small or medium, or commercial or corporate, you have to make sure that your products are disposed to the society. Therefore, you have to enhance the capacity of your society. Social capacity has to be enhanced by your product or by your service. Not only it has to enhance the capacity of the society, but it has to empower the society by virtue of your product or service. Finally, it has to enrich the society economically by your product or service. If that happens, then you can, as an organization, enrich yourself economically and surge ahead. So remember, new fundamentals of the new world order, the AAA ratings, making your products and services available, accessible, affordable to more people, more often, in more places. And secondly, your decision today will determine your destiny tomorrow. So you have to make the right decision today, not tomorrow. Finally, the society is the base of your success. Therefore, you have to enhance the capacity of your society, empower the society by your product or service, and economically enrich the society. And they will indeed, in return, enrich your organization, whatever the crisis that comes on your way.